This is Badger. Don't worry, Mookie will be back next episode. Badger's just substituting. Badger's a beach dog. You live on the beach, don't you, Badger? That's right. All right, so we're going to do a quick drink. This is a Beachbum Berries drink. It's called a High Karate. So I have my Tiki mug. Today it's full of crushed ice. I've been really getting into the crushed ice. When I was working on the cruise ships in Barbados, they had a lot of crushed ice drinks. So this is a High Karate. Calls for 2 parts spiced rum. I'm going to go pretty heavy-handed on the spiced rum today. And then 1 part OJ. One part pineapple juice. Actually it says 2 teaspoons of maple syrup. And this is good Canadian maple syrup. We are in Canada, aren't we, Badger? Hey, Badger, get out of my appetizer. And a dash of Angostura bitters. Oops, Badger got some Angostura bitters on his tail. Alright, so that is a High Karate from Beachbum Berry. And I see a Badger's already started on the appies. So I'm going to take my High Karate and my appetizers and go have appies with Chappie by the lake. Today for appetizer, I just stopped at Buffalo Wild Wings and got some boneless ribs with teriyaki sauce. Thanks for watching another episode. This is Badger substituting for Mookie. What's that, Badger? Badger says make sure you hit that notification bell. This is Badger and I'm Chappie, and we're saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way.